Hey there, and welcome back to Mini Lula's channel. Today, we're diving into 5 simple, screen-free activities to build focus and logic using just paper and pens. You can start simple and increase the challenge as your child grows. Every child can progress at their own pace. Activity 1. Complete the shape grid. Start by drawing several grids on a piece of paper. You can begin with just 2 to make it easier. In this example, we've drawn 5 grids. Each grid should contain 4 boxes. In the first grid, fill all 4 boxes using matching elements such as shapes, numbers, or symbols. Feel free to be creative with what you choose. In the other grids, fill in just one of the boxes and leave the others blank. Your child's task is to observe the pattern or logic in the first grid and use that to complete the missing boxes in the second grid. This activity strengthens logical reasoning, visual scanning, and attention to detail. Activity 2. Dots counting in a grid. Start by drawing a few grids on a piece of paper. Each grid should contain 6 boxes. Begin by filling the boxes with dots in different colors. You can start with 2 or mix in more. In this example, we're using 3 different colors. Let your child count the number of dots of each color in the grid and write the total below. This activity is great for developing counting skills, color recognition, and visual scanning. Activity 3. Dot Spot Grid Game. Create a grid by labeling the columns with letters A, B, C, and the rows with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. In this example, we're using 4 columns and 5 rows. Place colored dots in various boxes. Draw 2 grids, each with 2 rows and 6 columns. Call out coordinates, like A2 or B3, from the first grid. Have your child find the matching color or ask them to describe what's in a specific box. This activity supports spatial awareness, strengthens visual memory, and encourages careful listening and direction following. Activity 4. Shape Match by Number. Draw a large grid on a piece of paper. Start with just a few columns to keep it simple, and gradually increase the number of columns over time to raise the difficulty. Number each column at the top, and draw one shape at the beginning of each row. On each line, fill in the correct number of shapes in just one column, leaving the others blank. Your child's task is to copy the same number of shapes into the matching column. This is a great activity that helps develop number-shape association, working memory, and visual motor coordination. Activity 5. Continue the pattern. Start a row or column with a repeating pattern using shapes, colors, or sizes. For example, circle, square, circle, square. To make it more challenging, try using similar shapes or extending the pattern length. Then, let your child continue the sequence by drawing what comes next. This activity supports pattern recognition, sequencing, and early prediction skills. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to support the channel, and let us know in the comments which grid game your child loved most.